I said before, you have to respect women. You know me, I'm not respect women because I know I disrespect women too. Can you please just stop harassing Wawel about rape joke? You know, Paulo Cruzada, it is not really nice to say a rape joke to Wawel. For example, Paulo Cruzada, your parents have been scolded you, or your parents reprimand you that you say about a rape joke, or Teacher May, I'd seen this all the messages from Messenger. Me, I'm not the one who messaging anyway because you know Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May has already blotter you. Oh, um, as I'm saying, she already filed the cases against you because I know I talked with J. Rick Silva last February 25 Wednesday after I came back from condo in Stellar Place. And I know this Paulo Cruzada, he attempt to harass Teacher May. He attempt to hostage Teacher May. He doesn't know what's really happened is. And Paulo Cruzada, can you just stop harassing other teachers, like female teachers? If you harass Teacher Gio Malana, I say again, he doesn't want to argue with you. If you harass Teacher Vincent, he will punch you. Oh, because I know you can beat him or not. You can't even beat the person that you are saying. You know, Paulo Cruzada, can you just stop harassing Wawel? You know, Wawel, she is my longtime friend. She is not really my enemy because I know I reconcile with Wawel Romero. I talked to Jerick Silva one-on-one interview in TikTok Live, and I said, I don't want to harass Wawel. Wawel, she is not my enemy. I never want to say rape joke at Wawel. I call Wawel pretty, beautiful. Oh, you're so gorgeous. Oh, I never supposed to say that. Like for what does Paulo Cruzada says? Gaza in City, si Wawel Romero, and what he said before, he wants to rape Wawel or gahasain. That's the word. How would you attempt to rape a Down syndrome? That's very defiant and resilient. However, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, pag nalaman ng magulang ni Wawel Romero, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, you will be his sue against you. You will be blotter by police. Or maybe they will call the mental hospital. If they call you a mental hospital, you should bring Paulo Cruzada in the mental hospital. This is not right thing to say about rape, Paulo Cruzada. You don't even know about the Anti-Safe Space Act. Like me, I never know about Anti-Safe Space Act. Oh, for example, what is that word I say? Gasain, no, that's a word. That is a rape. That's violating against that's a violating against Anti-Safe Space Act. Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, I do not like rape. I remember the time I say about rape joke, oh, it's not really good to say about rape joke. Do not rape Wawel Romero. You and I, Paulo Cruzada, We know Wawel Romero. The time when I was in Trinoma, I say hi to Wawel. But the time after she left in CDIFI in 2011, when Joshua Arroyo says to me, what's that, what he said before, hindi nakapunta si Wawel Romero dito sa CDIFI. He said that he cannot return in she cannot visit in CDIFI. Hindi siya nakabisita, like I said. You know, Wawel, she can't able to visit. Here's the one thing, Wawel. Here's the one thing, Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass Wawel. I mean, when I apologize to Wawel Romero that I bully her, that I indicated I listened to Jerick Silva, that Wawel had grabbed all the pictures when I was taking a bath, posting in the college. I know this is really hurt when I bully Wawel. I apologize, Wawel Romero, during in my birthday. And I reconcile with Wawel Romero. Cakes to Jordan Pilapil. But I told to Jerick Silva, I told him, wag mo awayan si Wawel. Like, we have to be friends with her. We have to be kind at her. We should not harass her. I said, wag mo na lang siya awayin. Oh. Like this, Paulo Cruzada. No respect to the person. He has no respect to Wawel. Even the CDIFI teachers, he has no respect. Look at what you did to Mina Suchoy, what you did to Drita Ziri. You harassed them, Paulo Cruzada, including Teacher May, including Lorraine Shook. You're threatening to hostage them. Is this a kind of kind person? You know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada. Here's the press con anyway in my YouTube video. I just monologue myself. And I've just uploaded this in my video. Lecture your son. Behavior. Your son is really acting like an asshole. I'm sorry for my bad word. Because that person, Paulo Cruzada, lecture him. He has to stop with this rape joke. Don't you even know about rape joke, Paulo Cruzada? You do not know what is Anti-Safe Space Act or Anti-Bastos Law? That was signed by Rodrigo Duterte. We have to respect women, Paulo Cruzada. Me, I respect women. Me, I respect aside of Teacher May, aside to Lorraine Shook. I respect them. I respect Mina Suchoy. I respect Drita Ziri. I know I apologize Mina Suchoy for bashing her in Instagram and she forgives me. Oh. We have to respect women, Paulo Cruzada.